second. Oh, first, second right now.
I gotta shake your hand.
You just like control Lucas.
I did.
All it is.
Yeah.
I'll go first. I did. Remember that anytime when I
That's twice.
when I was spanking that butt?
That's twice.
Talk about it.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, look at that morphine jar. How do you like that morphine jar?
I think you're stacking.
I am stacking, honestly. I'm the only one not cheating. The only one not trying. You okay?
No, dude.
See?
Are you gonna start the combo?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay.
But only after I play one day. Ooh.
That's insane.
Yeah, he's got the combo.
Set a card.
Yeah, you're gonna get back.
If I can. As long as it's not quick play, I can do whatever I want. What's up? Instruction. Yeah. You change your body around.
Oh, these two.
Drop a card. Oh. Set a card. Set another card.
Yes, sir.
Activate this card.
Oh, fuck.
Wow. That's over.
That's rough.
That is rough.
Oh. 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 Oh.
That's rough.
You can do it again.
It's cold. Oh. I know you can't put your face down. Well,
I knew that.
okay.
Lucas is like, it's finally my turn. Oh! Really?
So much for a combo.
I didn't draw any books at all. I'm just like all
Can
about
we
the height.
synthesize it? No.
No. What does that even mean? What is that? What is that?
crazy.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Tell me.
Tell me. Wind up factory.
Well played.
Well,
Okay.
Acceptable.
normal summon.
Acceptable.
Seems legit.
Special summon.
Yes.
Level 3.
Okay. Oh. Oh. In your combo space. Oh. I think 1,000. Like a champion.
I attack moving jar.
One day.
Pause.
You played one day.
He'd still be destroyed though.
Remove or play any changer. Flip it. Fossil data. Blow it up.
Well played, sir. Well played. I'll give you that one. Go ahead. Yes, sir.
Are you kidding me?
Do I have a book in my graveyard?
No, I don't. That would just be silly. Definitely. Activate card structure.
I dropped one.
Okay, I dropped two. Oh,
That seemed bad.
are you serious?
Are you serial?
No, I'm just kidding. I will attack you for 20 or 19. Is it good? Mirror force me. Mirror force me. I dare you. I ain't gonna fall. Ooh, yes, what's up? Intern.
That's rough.
You have no clue.
He's gonna kill me in freaking morphing jar. He's not even backing out. Go.
Drop card.
19. Sure thing, bro.
What's up? Next cut?
Yes.
No, dude, you're good.
90.
Your stack is perfectly legal.
Yes, you're winning by 200. I almost caught up. Intern.
What? Go, dude.
Oh, no card. Yes. Look at mood.
Wait.
Oh, wait.
Dark hole.
Yeah, wait.
What you gonna do?
I will solemn the book of moon.
Well played. Why does his attack have to be 0?
Why do you take 21 from it?
Because he plays all judgment.
That's sad.
Thank you.
Yes.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's why I was like, why do you take 21?
You gonna kill me with damage, dude?
I can't kill you with damage. You can 200.
I go.
Yeah, go ahead.
Fail? Heavy Storm?
Oh, you gotta tie you.
No, I'm playing Starlight Road.
Oh, what a... I
special.
made you feel this.
And I can't do it because someone else dies on the field, so good game.
Oh, that's rough. That's so rough. He knows what we do. How did they give me?
Prime one with damage.